In this quick video tutorial, we'll show you how to resize external and internal columns in an email signature created with the by brand editor. First, let's start with external resizing. Click on the external border of the column you wish to change the width, and then on the Split Column button. In this field, you can specify the new desired width and the value in pixels. Note that in this example, I'll change it to 40 pixels. Again, I'll change it to 80 pixels and then back to 20 pixels. Now, the same example using a new email signature. Note that the split column feature is not visible in single columns or simple rows. But you can resize an internal column this way. Note that internal columns receive the value in percentage. This column is 30% by 70% and will be changed to 25%. In the last example, you have the possibility to redesign the structure of pre-created signature templates. I'll change the width of the external and internal columns for this template. The width of the external column will be changed with a pixel value. And then I'll use percentage in these two internal columns with 30% for each one, so the larger side will have 70% of the width. Again, note that columns that only have one column do not have the option enabled. We hope this tutorial has been helpful to you.